Okay, guys, so today we're gonna be battling, what's the name of this one? Sawblade versus whiplash. Okay. Let me put the parts on it real quick. As you can see, these parts go on just like that.
Get back there.
Take.
Remember, it's back there.
Take, you ready to play?
Bye. That's what happens in football if it lagged.
Yeah.
Alright. Turn that one off. Okay, there we go. Take stop. Oh, this is mine. Remember, when you point at thing, just turn it off, okay? Because now this one's going. Alright, guys. Here you go. Oh.
Stop.
Take stop. There you go. Alright, guys, you ready? Oh, piece one off. Oh. Number two off.
Those two don't really fall off so easily.
Huh?
Those two fall off so easily.
Oh, you got to turn on these. Oh, I've never seen that part come off. Wait, I just realized I know why that part's never come off. It's never been on.
Oh, that wasn't. I don't like when one of your pieces come off.
Why?
Because it makes it easy for you to grab.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, that was about to be a dead strike.
Ayo.
Don't ask me what that was about. No! Alright, guys, and now, alright, let's do another round. That was a short round.
Yeah.
That was a very short round.
Oh, I need yeah.
Alright. Guys, if you like this, just like the video. I'll know that I should post one of these. Which I love these videos, so I mean, like, yeah.
I mean, it's only your second video.
Yeah, I mean, it's only the second video, but it's a good video. Steak, there.
Wait, I'm gonna see if I can pick it up. Okay. Okay. Hey, go! Oh, come on.
There's this class.
Come on.
Oh, I found the way. If you hold down this button, you can hold it there. See? Oh, yours is like that. Okay.
I can't pause my video.
Oh, that piece.
Oh, that's a...
I grab? Wait. Squirm, baby. Squirm. Okay.
How did I do that?
I'm not sure. But now I found a new technique to grabbing you.
Oh, I didn't know this could come off.
Yeah, I know. See, I can grab right onto that boy.
Put this one back in.
The only, guys, by the way, the only weakness about this one is that it can flip over easily. That one can't. So,
Alright, 1, 2, go! Oh my god!
oh. 3, 2, 1. Alright.
2-1, 2-1.
2-1. Alright, let's do it for a round.
That was a quick one.
I didn't even take any damage. Take a look.
No, this is our 4th round.
Alright. Let's go. Oh. 3, 2. Oh man, stop moving.
Yes. Oh. Okay, 2-2. That was a 5th round.
Alright.
What? Oh. I got that one. I want in a little bit. I want to be that one.
Alright. This one's insane, bro. Like, I can hold people.
Oh,
I don't even have to have this thing on, and I can hold you.
Yeah. Go.
Ooh, you got the early start. Well, that might do something. Oh man, all my grabbing things are dodged up. Hold. Am I gonna?
That one.
3, 2, 1. Oh man. Ow! Don't touch me. I will grab onto that boy.
Hey, yo.
Man, we have a lot of hearts in the stadium. Oh, man. This is not good. I can't grab onto you.
I don't know who's winning.
3, 2,
I'm moving.
1. Okay, that's it. I won.
Hey, yo. Look, I'm gonna say.
No, not yet. No, not yet. I said not yet.
One more round.
Stop.
I wasn't ready.
Bro, I grabbed that for you.
Okay, 1, 2.
Hello there, buddy. No, not there, not there, not there. Come on, baby. Pull. Get in there. Get onto that, baby. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, I'll let you try this one, even though it's so good. Just don't break it, okay?
This is you. You need to put That's true. I'll start putting it here.
Here you go. Is this my controller?
Right. Yeah, no. Wait, this is one. And then we need this one. Okay. Let me figure out the controls here first.
They're the same controller. Alright, let's go. This one does not have the grip of the other one. Ding, ding, ding! 3, 2, 1! Ding, ding, ding!
Yeah, these are good. These are some good bots.
Huh?
These two are some good
Yeah.
bots. I don't use any.
Oh, there's some serious scratches. Alright.
Okay.
Down. 3, 2, 1, go! Ding! Oh! Dead. I'm gonna flip you, bruh. Oh, I was close to flipping you.
What happened?
Oh, you died. I've had that happen. Okay. Nope. Alright, guys. Peace out. Like this video if you want to see more mini battle bots.